This man has 7 Super Bowl wins. The day has come. The clock is ticking. With Brady on the way, Speed has a little more time to get some training in. Having 2-time Super Bowl winning wide receiver Danny Amendola there to help doesn't hurt.
Welcome to the NFL Combine edition of Speed Goes Pro. You ready for this?
Time is finally here, bro.
I want you to be above the average on every event.
If it's Tom Brady Speed wants, it's Tom Brady Speed will get.
This man put up in a helicopter?
This man has 7 Super Bowl wins.
There you go!
He won a ring in 3 different decades. That's more than any NFL franchise. Now, he's here for Speed.
You put up on a helicopter!
You like that? You been training?
Yes, I have, man. I've been working my ass off, bro.
All right.
Just for this moment.
All right, Speed, we're over to the vertical. You hit like a 36 earlier, and you're just joking around. We gotta hit a 40 today. Yeah! Oh, good.
That's unbelievable.
That's 40.
Did a 40.
Your draft stock just went up.
Way up. By the way, 40, like, that's like the 1% of 1% of 1% of 1%.